Today, we talk about...
Okay, last one. Let's get it. This one I'm excited for. With all the news going on lately and all the hubbub, I'd held off on pulling the trigger on this one for quite some time, but alright, so let's open up this packaging from Goats. Thank you, Goats. Now the box, as you can see, is a bit sun damaged. You can see the color has started to fade, which tells you this is quite an old box, and for good reason. Huh, that's cool, I've never seen that before. So, SB Dunk pink box era. You already know what it is. So with all the hubbub going around, thanks guys. Woo, wow. With all the hubbub going around the SB Dunk revival or resurgence, whatever, I had to go with them Tiffany's, especially with us being in New York City, am I right? But yeah, these are just, woo, bruh. I mean, you can tell they're starting to age a little bit, but dude, screw the yellow, screw the black, screw the white. They're nice, they're not bad, but those were all manufactured hype because of limited numbers. This was not super OD limited. This was just a phenomenal colorway and construction at the time. By skaters, for skaters. Nicky Diamond, you crushed this one. The crocodile print, I think, is what made or broke this. Based on the recent complex documentaries they were doing on the SB series in Los Angeles. This was the Pigeon Dunk to Los Angeles official. A lot of people reference the Tiffany as the Tiffany Dunk, but these were the Nicky Diamond Diamond Supply Dunks. The diamond on the front there was a big draw for kids. The silver swoosh, which this dude butchered his swoosh. I don't know what he was doing in these. Was he skating in these or what? But you see the metallic chrome, and then the obvious reference to Tiffany turquoise, which it wasn't exactly inspired by the Tiffany store. It was more Nicky Diamond had designed a shirt for his skateboarding shop, which had actually started as like a skateboard, repair shop. Over the years, he expanded it to include apparel and day-to-day. Eventually, he gets this Nike account. Watch the full documentary on Complex's YouTube channel. They do a phenomenal job with that. But the thing was, they eventually gave the shoe to Nicky Diamond, and he had made a shirt prior to that, which was a big seller for his store, which had the same colors. And he was like, why don't we just put it on the shoe? And then he premiumed it up at a time where premium sneakers were not really a thing. And here we go. People went nuts for this, and still do to this day. And as soon as I noticed they were resurging the Dunks, and especially Nicky Diamond's Diamond Supply colorways with all those new ones, I was like, man, forget the old, forget the new-ish. It's all about the OG-ish. We got to go back and get what started it all right here. So I'm glad to own this piece of history finally. Originally, I had gone with the California Dunks, which I think are very phenomenal as well. A few other Dunks, which I'm going to keep a secret for now. Video's coming. But yeah, this was a must cop at this point. So here we are. Thanks for joining. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.